Welcome to a video. Right here is my Subaru BRZ, currently being jacked up by my boy Jason right here. Yes sir, thick boy.
Big boy.
Yeah, but today we're going to show you guys how to do a oil change. Just a simple video. I got him doing the work right now because I'm recording, but you know. You just want to first off jack it, but like since my car is low, we got some ramps, Megan Racing ramps.
Jackie, bro.
Yep.
Jackie, bro.
Yeah. This is gonna be for beginners or something, whatever. How to do an oil change. Yeah, make sure like when we get the ramps and we jack it up, we put like the second part of the ramps.
Yeah, put it too high.
Right there. Nah, that's cool, bro. We can just drop it.
Oh yeah.
And then get the jack stands and then put it, you know, on your points. Everything's on jacks. Make sure you take this one off so when it drains,
Actually, it's fluid.
it comes out like it's faster. So, like you know with the water jugs, you gotta like unscrew the cap a little so
Yeah.
like, the water comes out faster. We got a little oil pan right here. Don't mind my fender piece.
Yeah, I saw that.
Little pieces coming out, but you know. But right here is my drain plug right there. Just unscrew that, and then the oil will flow into the shit. All right, guys. So one issue I had with this, don't know why I zoomed in. There you go. There you go. My bolt, my drain plug was like rounded, so I got a new one. Grady, you feel me? Grady parts.
Is that the?
All right, so the oil is dripping out. Kind of hard to see, but this thing dark as fuck.
Yeah, at least it's not like. I think brown is bad.
Yeah.
The dark is fine. Cause Vince's was brown when we did it.
Black coffee, bro. This is some black coffee right here. Damn. Yeah, but just let this drip out for a good minute. Oh, push it.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Sounds like when I take a leak, bro.
Sounds like how girls pee. Girls be peeing hella loud, bro.
Damn. How you know?
Bruh. Cause that's how I pee. No.
Meanwhile,
Alright, y'all. I got some goodies from Amazon.
Jason got some goodies.
Garage essentials, bro.
What is this? What is this?
It's this. You see it? It's a shop chair.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, cause look, I'm tired of sitting on this wooden fucking stool my dad made.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't roll around, you know?
Welcome to Jason's Auto Body. We're trying to turn this into a shop. We're gonna have a lift right here where all the golf things are.
Yep.
You know, we got tires. So Jason Auto Body, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. I'll link Jason's channel in the description.
Yeah.
Check this man out.
Link my IG in the video too, bro.
Yep. For all the females, right? Wait, no, never mind. No. That's for Winston. Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm gonna show everyone his car. You wanna check out Jason's build? This is his G37. It's pretty cool. But yeah, here you got the, yes sir, his seat, you know. Give him a lap dance or something. You know, hit him up. Odd, I'm switching out my bolt because this one's like rounded. Look how rounded it is. Jesus. So clutch, and still waiting. This thing's dripping. So Muscle Man Jason took off the filter. My filter is up here.
Like yes.
But yeah, it's nasty. But yeah, just take the filter off.
Pour the excess oil into the pan.
Yep. Next thing you want to do is just lube up your new oil filter. And, okay.
Fuck, it's not opening. Fuck, man.
Sir, after that, just
Tighten that bitch.
put that in.
Sir.
So the oil I'm going with is the Mobile One oil because it's It's one of the best oils. I got the new drain plug right there. See this drain plug?
Fuck that drain plug.
Yeah. Put the drain plug in.
Twist it a little bit, you know?
And then
Wipe the excess oil.
Yep. Right here. Put the funnel into the place where your oil is gonna go in, and for me it's 5.8 quarts, so I got 5, and you know,
5 more quarts
right here, so it's 6 right there. And my boy's gonna pour it in. I'm gonna help him out. Everything's done being poured in, and now just the cap, oil cap right here. Tighten that shit in. There you go. Tighten it. Make sure it's hella tight.
I don't want to pull up.
Oh yeah. Now what we're gonna do is to recycle it. Just pour the oil into this used oil.
Oh, bro, you pour it into the sewage.
Delicious, bro. You gotta get a strawberry and dip in here. You guys like chocolate fountains? Hit us up. Alright, everybody. Everything is done. Last thing you gotta do is just make sure everything is tightened down. Make sure the oil filter is tight. Make sure the oil cap's tight, and
The drain plug is tight.
And then after that, we're good. Make sure you start your car for a bit and then let it chill.
Yeah. Let the oil run through.
Hold it.
Yeah. Let the oil run through. Check for any leaks. That's pretty good.
Oh, I need that pump pipe.
Yeah.
Alright, everyone. This is done now. So this oil I'm actually gonna take to O'Reilly's real quick and recycle. And my boy Jason about to dip. I'm gonna dip, so see ya. Yeah. Alright. So currently I'm at O'Reilly's. Don't mind my trunk, it's kind of dirty. Gonna drop this oil off at O'Reilly's. Alright, everyone, I'm now home, you know, right there. But you guys liked the video, found it informative or something, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I would appreciate it. But that's pretty much it, so see you guys. Oh yeah, one thing, it's my dog. If you want to see my dog, subscribe. Chill. Come here. Hey. Ha! Gay! Stop eating dick. Pop. Good boy. Subscribe to the channel. What?